Oh my God, AI is here. Now, who will search my website? My website will not show up Google searches any longer, or they will completely stop using the search. That's what we have been hearing in our agency for a long time since the AI has released, that no one's going to use the search. But in this video, I'm going to tell you guys why it is important to work with SEO more than anything else before even AI was arrived, and why you should not miss the opportunity of AI as well. So let me first explain you the really basic thing about the AI overview, AI searches, AI question. So the first question which you should be asking with yourself is that how does AI work? How do you train the AI? You take the data, you train the AI, and then you chat with the LLM models like ChatGPT, Google AI, Google Gemini, all of these LLM models. Now, let's say if you are not doing SEO, you're not building backlinks, you're not doing on-page SEO, you're not adding proper keywords, you're not doing proper keyword research, you will not be generating the data which AI needs. And if someone is asking about your brand, or if someone is asking about the product which you're selling on your Shopify store, is not going to show up on these latest AI tools. So it is really important concept to understand that the basic level underlying pillars are same as before. The underlying methods of SEO still remains the same. You have to have really good keyword optimization and keyword research being done when you start developing the store and when you do the Shopify store development. And do you know that only less than 1% people go to the second page? So if your store or website is not showing up on the first page, or even from the first, second, third result of the Google searches or the AI overview, then you're not gonna get much sales organically from your store, and you'll have to spend a lot of money on the paid ads like Facebook, Google, and Instagram ads. So it's really important to optimize your website for SEO. And in this video, I'm going to share with you guys an app which you can use completely for free and optimize on-page SEO of your store. So for on-page SEO optimization, it is important to fix meta title, meta description. You should have good speed. You should do image optimization. You should have all tags added and all of these stuffs, which I'm going to share with you guys. And the app which we will be using is SEOWILL. AI SEO and AI blog post. You can see that it is really friendly with AI as well. And again, I told you guys that the basic underlying methods are still the same. If you optimize your on-page SEO and you have good data being given to the AI, then you will show up in Google AI overview. You'll also show up in ChatGPT and all of these different LLM models, which are really trending nowadays. So you should never miss this opportunity, especially in 2026. Now, I've already installed this app. By the way, this was formerly SEO Ant. I've already created few videos before that as well. I'm a fan of the app because the value which it gives you is great on the free plan. So you'll get all of these features on the free plan, and you will also get 50% discount if you use the coupon code which is in the description from these pricing. And if you go with the 1 year plan, again, you will get the 50% discount. Details of that is in the description. So guys, that's the first screen which you will see when you will install the app. And you have two routes here, where one is to identify and fix SEO issue, and the second one is create content that ranks. I'm going to select the identify and fix SEO issue because it is the most important thing, as we need to fix on-page SEO. So I'm going to click on continue. And here you can see that it's showing that we have 14 issues on our website, and it will help us fix those issues. So let's click on fix issues now. And I'm going to add in the billing information here, and let's go with the monthly and click on try free for 7 days. Okay, our app is now installed, and here we have our first step which we need to do: audit and fix a store's SEO issue. We have speed thing showing up, we have SEO health score, we have AI blog generator. I'm gonna go over everything step by step. So let's first fix the SEO health score. So I'm gonna click on fix now, and here you can see that we have our SEO health score. We can do speed optimization, we can do content optimization, all of these actionable tasks which we need to perform in order to boost our on-page SEO. So first thing what we can do is simply optimize all of the images. So if you click on fix all now, it is going to compress all of the 900 plus images which we have on our store, right? So let's do that first. I'm going to click on fix all now and then click on save and fix. Now it's going to take few minutes to optimize all of the images, including the alt text. And while it's working, I'm going to show you some of the other features of the app. So let's go to a speed optimization tab after SEO checker. I'm going to open that in a new tab. And here you can see that it's showing us page speed score, and we are currently using the rocket mode. So it has 3 modes. One is the basic and the rocket and the turbo mode, where it will do critical CSS loading, asset file compression, code optimization, all of the technical stuff. It will be handling all on its own. You don't need to learn all of these things. It's going to handle all of its own. So if we go to image optimization tab, you can see that how much saved space we have after the optimization, which we are doing on the other tab. Most of the images are being done. Here you can see 61% reduction ratio, all of this percentage showing that how much we are able to save in terms of MBs. Okay, now let's move on to AI content creation. So content creation is really important when you're running a store, because if you are not being shown to users, no one's gonna come to your store and buy your stuff. So you'll have to be present on all of the social media, all of the content platform, and add and blog post as well on your store. And it is going to basically suggest you what you should do with the content. So let's say if I'm selling curtains, it's gonna give me the relevant keyword, and it's going to give me a complete plan on how I should proceed with the content creation. So I'm gonna search here, and you can see here that it's giving me all of the keywords, showing me the competition, that currently it's in high competition, that's the volume. So we really need to research on what keywords which we should use, and those keywords should be low in competition and high in volume. And we can get keyword suggestion with the built-in AI features of this app. So I'm going to click on get keyword suggestion, and it is going to pull all of the relevant product attributes from my store. So let's click on get keyword suggestion. Once you do that, you will see these suggested keywords where you will see the competition, volume, all of the details. Unfortunately, all of the keywords which my store is targeting have high competition, but I also generated a report where I'll see all of the suggested keywords, right? So these are the content suggestion. So we need to add in comprehensive guide on cordless blind, including types. Again, this is a very high competition keyword, but if we scroll down, we can also see there are some low competition keywords which we can target and have a lot of traffic. So 200 average volume search is not a bad average volume search, but with a very low competition, we can try rank on this keyword as well. And here you can see that these are the recommendations on some of the content and keywords. So one other really cool feature which I want to show you guys is AI blog generator. So here you see the keywords, and here you have this sign where you can click on this pencil icon and create your blogs within your Shopify store. Alternatively, you can click on AI content creation, and here you have AI blog generator, right? I'm gonna go over from the keywords. So let's say cordless blinds. I'm gonna click on this pencil icon. And here it's now researching the topic, that what topic we should create for our Shopify store. Now I've already given it the keyword suggestion. And you can see that it's pulling up all of the information that for that specific keyword, which blogs and articles are already ranking well, right? And here it's giving the product listing that are currently ranking for these keywords. And these are the how-to articles. So that's the how-to video, which is currently ranking, right? So what we want is to add in the article. So I'm going to click on this guides and educational blog to rank higher for that keyword, and then click on continue. And here it's now writing a blog topic for us, that what topic we should use to rank higher on Google. Okay guys, you can see that we have our blog title ready. We have all of the blog content ready to go. Now it's also suggesting to add internal link, which is one of the important factor for ranking your article or page. So you simply click on select pages and select any page or product which you want to add as an internal linking for this blog post, right? And all you have to do is just click on generate blog now after adding the appropriate link. And here you go. You can see that our SEO friendly content is ready to go. That's the primary keyword which was showing up in the suggestion. That's our blog title. You can see the SEO rank. It's currently saying 95 is score of the SEO, which is a really good score. It has added the headings, appropriate headings for the blog post which it generated, all of the green ranking factors which is showing. Now all I have to do is just click on publish to add the article. That's how easy it is to research the keyword and based on those keywords generate the blog post using AI blog post generator. I'm going to close it now and then move on to the next features. So that's how AI content creation works. Okay, let's move on to content optimization. And if we go back to our image optimization tab, you can see that all of the images which we were optimizing have now been optimized. It optimized 950 plus images and added images to 32 plus. Added all text to 32 plus images. Now here we have content audit optimizer, and we will need to add in primary keyword. So let's say this is the product, bright on cordless Roman shade. So that product is about shade. If we add keyword Roman shade and then click on OK, alternatively you can click on keyword suggestion, but I'm going to click on OK. Based on that keyword, it is going to suggest what is the SEO score, right? And it's currently showing 65 as a SEO score. And if I click on that, it will provide me the detailed breakdown of how I can improve it. So what should be the title? The title is good, or actually it's saying good SEO advice. Now it's giving me the product description. Now these are the things which are missing in product description. So here we have H2 missing, meaning we should have H2 on our description as well. And it's currently showing all of the other suggestion as well, that how we can optimize our SEO, our on-page SEO, where we have 6 major issues, 3 improvements, and 9 well done. So if I click on 6 issues, it is going to basically highlight this stuff, right? And we can simply click on AI optimize, so it will automatically fix all of the issues. We don't have to manually add an H2, H3 and all that kind of stuff. And I'm going to click on AI optimize. And here, all I have to do now is click on accept all, and it will fill in all of the keywords in title, description, meta title, meta description, product tags. So I'm just going to click on accept all. And you can see that the SEO score is now improved. I'm going to click on save. Perfect. You can do this one by one for all of the products, or you can do that in bulk as well. So if you click on this check mark here and then click on add tags, or you can auto generate keywords, add all tags, you can do some bulk optimization as well. Now for next part, I'm going to go over the technical SEO thing. So let's close these 2 old tabs here. And here we have some technical SEO stuff which we can do. So if I had any broken links, it would show up here. Currently, I do not have any broken links. That's why it's not showing up anything. So if we go to structure data, this is very important. So structure data is, it's going to show these star ratings when someone search your store on the Google. It will have price, stock, reviews, and this is for the breadcrumbs. Let me show you the live example on Google search. So if I Google t-shirt in New York, so just the generic keyword on how the product looks like actually on the Google search. So as you can see here, that's a result from Yelp, but you can see these star ratings showing up, which make this result pop up as compared to other result. That is called schema markup, which this app will handle for you. So if you just need to enable it, and it's gonna add the schema markup for better CTR meaning click-through rate, meaning you will have better click-through rate when someone see these star rating on the Google search. Similarly, we have this structure data for breadcrumbs. We have structure data for articles. So if I scroll up a little bit, you can see that these images, which is also pulling up from the schema markup. And here we have this Google map showing up, and we also have the option of local business here. So these optimization takes a lot of time if you try to do it manually, or if you try to do every single thing one by one on your own. SEOWILL is going to save a lot of time in order to improve all of this technical SEO jargon. In the technical SEO, we also have crawling and indexing. So it's going to automatically create the HTML sitemap. Sitemap is the structure of your website, which is visible to Google or all of the search engine. And it is going to create that sitemap, which is in HTML format. And here we have instant indexing option, meaning you can submit your website to Google faster in order to index the pages. Here we have the site verification tab in order to add in different tools like Google Search Console, Bing Webmaster Tool, Pinterest verification. All of these really help cut the time for you, save time for you in order to enhance the SEO. Keyword research part we have already gone through, and this is the link building part, which I really like. So when Google tried to analyze the authority of your domain name, it analyzes the whole internet and see that how many other websites are linking back to your website. But there is a lot of technicality and a lot of knowledge which requires for you to generate high quality backlinks. And SEOWILL have made this easier for you guys. You can basically add in your website and it is going to put your link on the second website, and from the third tier website, you are going to get the link. So if you do direct exchange of the links, Google understand that, and Google does not recommend creating direct backlinks. That's why SEOWILL have created this system where you can easily generate backlinks without manually searching for the website which are similar to your niche. Let's say you are selling products related to gardening, you will need to search the blog post related to gardening and then ask them to create a backlink for you, so on and so forth. It is a really time-consuming stuff, but it is very beneficial for SEO. And you will be able to do that with SEOWILL very easily. So that's it for this video, guys. In order to summarize the video, I'm gonna go over the summary. So initially we did speed optimization, where we did image optimization and added alt text. In the second step, we did the content creation thing, where we fixed all of the H3 meta title, meta description issues using the SEOWILL. And then we did technical SEO, where we had the opportunity to add in schema markup, check broken links, and connecting the search console. And at the end, we had an option of creating backlinks using SEOWILL dashboard. So all of this is stuff which I covered in this video. But if you think there was something which was not clear to you, let me know in the comments below and I'll personally reply back to every single comment. That's it for this video, guys. Until next video, have a great day.